Welcome. Sue's University of Life. That's my page, and I'm Sue Gaskell Barlow. I'm walking through this amazing field, and gosh, how it's grown. Not been here for a little while. So I'm going to continue walking through this. It's perfect. It's right up to way past my waist, and makes me feel so happy. And this is my little place across the road from where we live, and I love it here. It's just so overgrown, and naturally so, no reason for it not to be. And a heron's just decided to go away because of course I'm a distraction, and there's more birds. Maybe you can hear them, and they obviously don't want to have anything upsetting them, and I'm not prepared not to come over here, so we have to reach a compromise, nature and I, and we can certainly do that. So in the background there, that's our avenue, and across the road, a minute walk, and we're here on the wetlands. Amazing amount of activity in this small expanse. And if I was to sit here long enough, then I'm sure the swallows all around, they're beautiful. I'm sure one or two would risk coming out. Anyway, this is where I have to go, over this little plank. I love it. Big kid, I certainly am, and long may it rain, as in R-E-I-G-H. And we certainly have lots of the other rain, and it creates this amazing beauty, so much wildlife, and an opportunity to just sit, which I'm going to do now, and just have a little look. And there's a mayfly just in front of me. Probably you're not able to see it, so you're going to have to take my word. Well, well, well. In pictures, which is absolutely okay. So there we have it. Buttercups, celandines, clover, and lots of little, see some fish. Hope you saw that little one wander by, and little bugs and insects, and all going about the business, existing, surviving, and we could learn a lot from nature. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, and it's not an issue either way. It is my pleasure to share with you. Bye for now.